Mornings. Calm. And this is for 5 minutes. In pure rays of light shines the divinity of the world. In the pure love of all beings rays the godliness of my soul. I rest in the divinity of the world. I will find myself in the divinity of the world. And also for 5 minutes, growing plants, for 5 minutes, withering plants. Intense devotion to one's own ideal of the divine. Evenings, intense devotion. Retrospection of the previous day's experiences in pictures, from the present backward toward the day's beginning. Auxiliary exercise. Number 1, concentration of thoughts. Number 2, initiative in action. Number 3, composure in pleasure and suffering. Number 4, positivity. Number 5, freedom from bias. Number 6, repetition of the 5 exercises.